Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so today I'm doing another fragrance review video for you guys. Y'all seem to really eat up my fragrance review videos. You guys really like my fragrance review videos. So I thought I would show you guys a fragrance that has been sitting in my closet, in my collection for about the last year. And I am obsessed with this fragrance. It is honestly my favorite fragrance. I don't use it often, I really don't use it often, and when I do use it, it's like spray, boom, done. That's it. Because one, is expensive, it's not cheap, it's a very expensive fragrance, and also it smells so good that it's so powerful and so strong. You do not need much, less is more with this fragrance. You don't need to be drenching yourself in this fragrance, or else it might be a bit too overpowering, because it's that powerful by just using a little bit that you don't need to be doing the most. What I'm talking about is the Louis Vuitton Ombre Nomade perfume. Guys, run, do not walk to Louis Vuitton. Go on the website, grab your laptop right now and order this fragrance. If you're looking for a fragrance for someone's birthday, anniversary, or just because gift, you just want to get your partner a just because gift, this is the gift that you want to get them. This fragrance is absolutely divine. It's gorgeous. It's giving me rich, bougie, classy, expensive. It's giving me you're made of money. It's giving, oh darling, get my coats. Oh, I'm just catching my Emirates flights and I'm going first class, and yeah, no, I don't want wine, I want champagne, I want champagne, you know. It's giving, I want caviar. It's giving, I'm just that girl. It's giving, I'm in my soft girl era, in my soft guy era. I'm just, you know, all about looking after myself, looking good, feeling good, smelling good. This is that fragrance. I don't know how else I can describe how good this fragrance is, because it's honestly a billion and one out of 10. It is the most divine fragrance you will ever smell in your life, especially if you are someone who loves a fragrance that's more oud scented, woody, you know, that oriental, that, you know, Arabian kind of scent. This, baby girl, baby boy, is the fragrance for you. This fragrance is just amazing. So let's get into the packaging first of all. The packaging comes in this nice white box. It's got Louis Vuitton all over it, and you open it up and there she is. There's the bottle, guys. It's got this beautiful gold writing, and the Louis Vuitton is kind of engraved in. The lid is also got a gold thing, and I love the lid. It's this magnetic top, and it just kind of clicks in. You don't need to press it in, it just clips right on. And you can also get the bottle embossed if you want to feel more, this is my fragrance, this is my bottle. You want it to feel more personal. You want that person to know that you really was thinking of them when you bought this fragrance. You get their initials engraved on here or their name engraved on here. They will be smiling for the next year. For the rest of 2023, they will be smiling, because this fragrance is so good, and just to have the bottle personalized just makes it feel that much more special to you. If you like more wood, musky, oriental scents, this is your babes. This, forget all the rest. Forget all the rest. You don't want all the rest. This is your baby here. This is what you want. I'm gonna spray it for you guys. You just need one spray. You don't need to be doing the most with this fragrance. Oh, guys. It's just rich. It's just so feminine and powerful and strong, yet very masculine. This fragrance is unisex for sure. I don't feel as if I smell this on a guy, I'm gonna be like, oh, that smells like a bit of a girly scent. Or if I smell it on a woman, I'm gonna be like, that smells a bit like it should be on a guy. It is just the perfect unisex fragrance. So if your man has it or your girl has this fragrance, you could just be stealing a couple sprays. Honestly, anyone can wear it. And obviously as well with fragrance, once it sinks into your own pheromones in your body sense and your smell, it will always smell a little bit unique to you, because we all smell differently. But this fragrance is gorgeous, and it has 4 notes. I would have thought that this fragrance would have had a ton of different notes, vanilla, musk, yang yang, eucalyptus, what else? You know, all these other fragrances, oud, raspberry, strawberry, but it really has 4 scents, guys. And the first scent is oud wood, and you can smell that. It smells very oud, very woody. I feel as if even though this is an all year round fragrance, this fragrance in the autumn winter months, oh child, you are just smelling like cinnamon bun, apple spice goodness, just like warm and cozy. You know that like warm cozy winter feel? This is giving that fragrance. It's giving that oud, that woody scent. And then the next note that's in there is incense and raspberry. And another note that I didn't really know, I had to Google what this scent was called benzoin tears. And from what I've gathered from Google, this scent is very sweet and soothing. It almost smells like vanilla. That's what Google said. It almost smells like vanilla. So with these 4 notes, very simple notes, this fragrance is powerful. It's just, oh guys, it's just divine. I do not know how much I can rave on about this fragrance, how much I love this fragrance. This fragrance will honestly last me a really long time. I mean, I've had the bottle for a year and I barely even hit halfway. You know, I have used this so minimally, and every time I use this fragrance, every time I'm around my man, he is stuck to me like glue. So ladies, I'm telling you, if you want your man to be all up on your neck, all up on you, just put this fragrance on and he will not leave you alone. You be on the street, I've been on the street and people have literally stopped me to ask me what fragrance I'm wearing. I don't even layer this fragrance, I don't stack it with other fragrances. It is divine on its own, and it's definitely worth the price tag. I mean, the price tag. Let's talk about how much this fragrance costs. This fragrance will set you back anywhere between, I think, like 300 and 350 pounds to about 500 pounds. And ooh, that's a whole plane ticket right there, right? That is really, really pricey. So if you are like, oh no, I feel you, and trust me, I've got other fragrance videos, much more affordable fragrances that I'll link above that you guys can check out, and they smell just as divine and just as good. I mean, they're not Louis Vuitton Ombre Nomade, but they're just as good. I know this fragrance is definitely a really hefty price tag. It comes with a hefty price tag, but like I said, the bottle's refillable. You can get your name engraved on it, so it's very personal to you. And I think to even refill the bottles, they're not as expensive as it is to initially buy it. So I think it's like almost half the price to refill it. It's either like 150 pounds or 200 pounds to refill the bottle. And that way you can just keep topping it up. You can have this as your signature scent for a really long time, and you don't have to worry about, oh my gosh, like 500 pounds, I just spent 300 pounds and now it's finished and I just throw away the bottle. Like, no, you can keep the bottle, bring it into a Louis Vuitton store and get them to refill your fragrance, which is what I absolutely love about this fragrance. Would I recommend this fragrance? 100%, a million percent. Yes, it's the most amazing gift you can get your partner, or even just get yourself. You can always just treat yourself and buy yourself this fragrance. You will definitely love that for you, and you'll feel so accomplished and you'll feel amazing. Like when you're walking on the road and people are stopping you and they're asking you what fragrance you're wearing, you're like, yes, this was worth every penny, like every penny. But yeah, this is her. This is Ombre Nomade, girls, guys, girls. This is Ombre Nomade. Definitely run, don't walk, go get this fragrance. If you have this fragrance, let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any other Louis Vuitton fragrances that you would love to recommend, let me know. Even any other brand, let me know. If you are thinking, oh, this is a bit too pricey, I don't think I can afford it, I don't really want to spend that much money, you know, I've just started my perfume collection, I don't want to spend that much, it's okay. It's okay, I've got you. I will link above and in the description a few other of my perfume videos, and there are like a ton of perfumes that are done. Some are like 10 pounds, 15 pounds, they last for hours. And oh yeah, how can I even forget? This fragrance lasts for hours, like hours. You will have this fragrance for like a good 8-9 hours. If you go out, it will still cling to your clothes. Like even I have like shirts and I will smell my shirt like a week later and it still smells like this fragrance. Like it really does last a really, really long time. So that's what I'm saying, you don't need to use much, it lasts a really long time, and like I said, it's definitely worth your price tag. But if you can afford it, I get it, it is really expensive. Go check out one of my other videos. So saying that, I will see you in my next perfume video, hopefully. And until then, take care. Bye.